timing? For the record? For the record.
Yep.
Okay, I'll be ready in just 1 second here. Okay, you guys ready? Okay, time start.
Hello everyone, we're Team 10, and today we want to introduce you the Lotero Coffee and how we use text analytics and NLP to analyze consumer. So here is our agenda for today. We're going to start with introduction of the company and the business problems that they're facing. All right. So a little bit about Yellowtail Coffee. It was founded by our good friend Aaron and his and other Hult students who were excited to promote the diversity of high quality coffee from Philippines. And the prime mission of the company is to introduce Philippines coffee to the world. All right. So here is our business question. How are we going to introduce Yellowtail Coffee in San Francisco when we have a lot of big competitors, and also we want to minimize the cost of operating a store. So here are survey questions. First, what is your name? 2, do you drink coffee or not? 3, how often do you drink coffee? 4th, where do you usually get coffee from? And finally, why do you like to drink coffee? Okay, and then this is our research target. We have 41 respondents. We're based in San Francisco, and the age group of the research target was between 20 to 30. All right.
Get out to the presentation.
Okay. So this is our dashboard. So as mentioned earlier, we have 5 questions for the survey. We've interviewed 41 people, and the main result is that 85% of the people that we interviewed drinks coffee and they like coffee. So for the part of the analytics, so we're showing the word cloud. It's not showing correctly here, the projected picture. But so basically what we want to show here is that how the frequency of words. But of course, as what we've learned, what's important is the not so frequent words. So here we can see that there are some people drink coffee because of habit. It's not really because they just want to stay awake. There are people who still in school and in the fashion industry. So these are the things that we've learned from the survey that we did from our interviews. And then we can also check out the other words. So we have a filter here. So there are people who doesn't drink coffee. They like energy drinks rather than coffee, and some people drink tea. And then going to our correlogram, what we've analyzed here is the 3 questions from coffee consumption, meaning how much coffee do they drink, and then where they buy the coffee, as well as why do they drink coffee. So based on this correlogram, their coffee consumption is in relation to where they get their coffee. It's usually they drink it in the afternoon. It's more leaning to where they get their coffees from Starbucks, and then on the other side, why do they drink coffee is to stay alert, to stay awake. Those are the usual stuff that we're getting. But it's the insights that we were really much more interested is from the TF-IDF analysis. Here, we're seeing that there are people who really do brew coffee at home rather than just buying in Starbucks. So for Yellow Turtle, that's good because we're a coffee roasting company, so we can sell directly to them. Why they drink coffee? Like I said, some of them it's because of habit. Some of them they just love the taste of coffee or the smell, and of course to stay awake. Another important thing here, there are students who because the people that we interviewed are from the master's program, so there are majority of them are still students, and they're willing to pay for coffee. That's a good thing. So with our trigram network, what we did here, what we've see here was again, some people doesn't drink coffee, but some of them they drink coffee because just they want it or from the habit, and then if we move the filter. So it's a little small, but we're seeing here how much consumption they're doing. Some of them consume coffee 3-4 times a day. That's the usual answer. We've actually received answers where they consume 8 cups of coffee in a day. And I think I'm one of them. So yeah, that's about the dashboard.
Oh, okay. So there's one more thing we'd like to show you here. It's a pretty cool little thing. So basically, we can open it and change it. So Jesus. So we can change the keywords and tokens we're looking for, and by clicking this little cool thing, we can change the layout. So we're really trying to satisfy these episodes. And now let's get back to the slides. Right.
Okay, so here we are using the multinomial knife base. We selected word profession as our corpora to build features from them and added the ground truth, which consists of both the classes, the positive class, which is you drink coffee, and the negative class that you don't drink coffee. A problem that we ran into is the dimensionality problems. Even by having such a small data frame, the total features were 81 and 41 rows. So that means that there is a huge curse of dimensionality. To reduce that, we actually selected the top 3 features to build our DTM matrix, and from there we made our dictionary to finalize that, and then we also the prediction was around 75%, and this is what you see is the confusion matrix. So there is some overfitting because the classes were clearly imbalanced, and yeah, this is our modeling results.
Okay. That's it? Okay. It sounded like that's it.
I'm gonna do just the conclusion, like quickly we create like a buyer persona, what they've been talking, like we are young people, hardworking, busy lifetime. That's the potential strategies we found was like to bust in energy with an affordable price, to focus on accessibility by subscription models, and also one important thing we believe was like to try to educate the customers, because it seems that everybody focus on drink coffee just to stay awake, and there is much more in this product that is the taste. So that is one of our best insights, and yes, to look for convenience and accessibility always with an affordable price. That's all.
Oh, this is it? Okay, class, any questions? Oh, wow, look at you now. Okay, go ahead, buddy, yeah.
This is not that related to the presentation.
Oh, damn it.
How's yellow coffee different from other coffee? Yellow turn coffee different from the other coffee?
Also, what we're doing here, we're a coffee roasting company, and we buy raw green coffee beans from different parts of the world. The current business is we're
So it's
bringing
not
in.
only Filipino coffee.
it's not all Philippine coffee. So what we're doing right now is we're selling international beans in the Philippines, specialty coffee. So when I say specialty coffee, this is like competition grade coffee beans. So it's really expensive coffee. So what we want to do for the US is bring in Philippine coffee in the specialty grade. So that's what we want to introduce because we also grow coffee beans locally. So that's what we want.
Good luck for your coming future.
Yeah.
Thank you, appreciate it.
One more quick question.
Yeah. So can we go to Shiny, please? For starters, I gotta say that that thing is beautiful. So kudos to the chef.
Oh, thank you so much.
I'm just curious, what does the machine learning section is about? Because you only describe the model.
Yeah.
Okay.
You want me to take that? Do you have any questions? Like, what are you asking?
I have one
I
question
was-
actually,
Oh.
before you go.
Yeah.
What were your 3 top features?
Industry, work, and unfortunately the other feature was D, which was a stop word, so we had to remove that. So we actually had 2 features, which is industry and work. Those
That's
are-
probably why you were overfitting it. So
Yes.
why not use more features?
Because the
Like
classes
10.
were really imbalanced. I mean, we're already having,
Sure, but
Right.
why not?
because then the model won't generalize at all. Like if you're building so many features, I mean, we only have 41 observations, right? So that's
True, small data set, fair enough, but I don't think it would
Yeah.
overgeneralize. I think it would be
I mean,
the right thing to
the
do.
prediction, the confusion matrix is okay, and this is on the testing set. This is not on the training set, so I think it's not that bad.
okay. I agree. It's not overly bad, yeah. But why not use more features, right? Why not use more terms?
Yeah.
Next time, all right?
Next time.
Cool. Finish up your
Something-
question.
I was going towards the same direction.
Okay,
No more
okay.
feeding.
Something I want to mention is what we could have done is used word embeddings. You know, some sort of word to vec or something that is more powerful than TF-IDF,
Yeah.
which could have been our next steps.
Okay, cool. Very good. Thanks, guys. Okay, Team 11.